Hello, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm just about to board this train. This is train 405 that goes from here in Sila At to a place called Sawankhalok. You have to be quite careful how you say that place. And it's on a branch line from a place called Ban Dara Junction, which is a bit further down towards Bangkok. And the junction will then bring us on the branch line. But this service only resumed back in July, I think it was July the 15th, 2023, after being closed for 3 years due to COVID, and it's only just reopened, as I said. So I'm just about to get on this train. This is train 405, and then return on 406. And along the way, and I'll tell you a little bit about the history of the line, plus do some filming at Sawankhalok because it's a very pretty station. So let's get on board. Ooh, it's not easy to do with one hand and filming at the same time. It's all third class on this train, and there's absolutely nobody else on it. I think maybe one other guy got on. I'm not too sure where he is. So we've just arrived in Ban Dara Junction, and this is where the train goes down the branch line to Sawankhalok. I think we wait here a few minutes before we head off. just coming into Khlong Maphlap. This is the middle station on the line. Very quaint. So we made it to Sawankhalok. This is the beautiful station building behind me, which we'll have a look around in a second. We arrived about 5-10 minutes late, but never mind. It does eat into my time here because the train literally goes in 35 minutes time, so I haven't got that long before the return trip, and I've got to get on it back to Sila At so I can then pick up another train that goes back home to Chiang Mai. So anyway, without further ado, let's take a look around and see what there is here. So just down there is literally the end of the line. The original plan was to extend this line out to a place called Tak, and I think maybe further up to Mae Sot, which lies on the Burmese border. Then, so we've been here about 25 minutes, half an hour or so. Now we're going to get back on the train, head back to Sila At. So let's do that. that's where I'm going to leave off this video for now. If you like it, then give me a big thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel down below. Until the next video, see you later.